just picked up the coolest freaking thing you've ever seen in your life. It's called an AR droid. It's a remote control flying television camera that I run off of my iPod. Okay, give me a cup of tea. This is the ship, and again, then now it comes with its own landing platform. Don't worry, it's gonna break out of the box. All right, we're gonna get it ready. Till then, take care, guys. Capt out. Hi guys, yeah, since I turned it over the last time, it has an automatic shut-off that if it gets beyond, it shuts down. Alright, now I'm linking the battery. We're going to see if we got red lights. I'm putting the camera protective shield over the craft. Lock down. Setting. Let it sit. We're looking for red lights. Now then. Come back online now then. I'm waiting for green lights. I have a green light. Now then, I activate my Wi-Fi. Boom, bring it up and online. Connecting. I have to open the Wi-Fi. So I twist it this way. Go back to my connections. Find that over here. Go to my settings. Okay, now I turn the Wi-Fi on, wireless connection. The only way you can fly this is with this machine. Wi-Fi is now on. Alright, we're joining network. I'm also now then locking on to the AR drone. Open. Come on, baby. Lock it down. It is checking. It's looking right now. Well, we're here. Okay, I'm going AR drone. Whoa, I am online. Everything is linked. At this point now then, I go back, turn it around, go back to my home page and bring up my, slide the screen. We're good. Wow, look at this. Okay, oh, you guys can't see it. Alright, Ears is bringing up his video now. Alright, I am looking down the barrel of this machine. Here it is. The camera's in the front. I don't know if you guys can see this. Alright, we are getting ready to lift off. Preparing to lift off. Take off. Come on up. Thank you. See, this is cool. You just walk around. Thing hovers by itself. So now then, basically now I have to push on this. Come over this way a little and lean forward and let's get it around. Come on. Button. And now as I lean my pad and turn around and come on over here. Hey, let's come on over. Let's spin around. Alright, we're coming up. 1/3. Increasing throttle. Stabilize. Hover. Hold. Hover. Hold. Thank you. Coming back on control. Alright, moving forward. On to the GPS. Spinning around. Coming back down on throttle. Oh, you should see this camera view. Lean forward. Out of the way. Lean back. Catch it. Throttle up. Let go of the button. Alright, pivoting left. Hold still. Throttle up. Thank you. Into the pad. Down 1/3. Now, the cool thing is, once you let go of the button, it stabilizes and holds itself. So I can just sit here and go, hello. See, I can walk around and say, hello, neighbors. Now then, bring it back online. coming online. I have control of the ship. Boom. Coming up, rotating to the right. Throttling up. Leaning. Throttling up. Lost signal. Well, hey, this is how it works. Let it reset. Okay, preparing. 3, 2, 1. Preparing to take off. Take off. Wi-Fi signal. There we go. I'm back. There we go. Come here. Come here. That's one try. Come back here. You bush. Have some power. This isn't easy. Good attempt. Till then, take care. Morgan out. Let go of the button. Stabilize. Use. Stay. Spot. Stay. No, don't you talk to me that way. Okay, coming up. Going to head throttle. I'm on control once again with the iPad. I am coming up in throttle. Coming back on throttle. Stabilize. Lockdown. Online, looking through camera. Locate. Target. Takeoff. Come on. Oh, I got a Wi-Fi.
There's the green.
Got the green. Coming up. Clear up. Throttle up. Going on button. I'm on control. I have the ship. Come over this way over the wing. Move forward. Next to the ground. Come on. Stabilize.